Hey guys, this lesson we're going to talk about area of parallelograms, okay? Ms. Keeban's going to show you how to do this. It's so simple, okay? This is a little parallelogram. If you remember me teaching you how to classify parallelograms, you remember me saying it's just like a squished up rectangle, okay? With a squished up rectangle, well, this rectangle has a length, and a rectangle has a height. The height is your width, right? Well, if I take this little triangle, because it looks like a triangle, and I move it right here, I now have what looks like a rectangle. My length, my width. So guess what the formula is for area of a parallelogram? Area is equal to length times width. That's it. Yep, that's it. So area of a parallelogram is length times width. In this case, your width is your height. So it can also look like length times height or base times height, because your length is also your base. Okay? The base of the figure, the base is your length, just like we saw in triangles. That's the same for the parallelogram. Now let's try a problem. Okay, we have a problem. It gives us our base and it gives us a height of a parallelogram. We just need to write down our formula, substitute our numbers inside the formula for the variables, and solve. Okay, so we get area is equal to base times height. We don't know the area, but that's what we're looking for. So area equals, well, our base is 10 meters. Our height is 5 meters. And now we solve. Area is equal to 50 meters squared. Yep, it is that easy. You just got to know your formula, plug in the numbers, and solve. That is how you find the area of a parallelogram. The same rules apply to find the missing dimension, to find the missing base or height. Use the same process that I showed you in the area of rectangular and square video. If you don't remember, go back to that video, watch it, and then come back to this one, and I want you to try. So I'm going to give you an example here, and I want you to try to do this on your own. Find the missing height. I don't know what the height is, but I do know my base is 15. In this case, we're going to say my area is 45 meters squared. What is my height? I want to know that. So tell me tomorrow what my height is. Solve that. If you don't remember, go back to the original video and come back to this one. Have a good day, guys.